to connect this magnet with our optical cable like this. And the another port is connected with vibration meter. And now put our magnet on spindle sortie, so it's connected with our vibration meter. Now let's check the vibration at different RPM. Like at 2000 RPM in clockwise direction. The velocity is nearly 0 millimeter per second. Now in anti-clockwise direction and same RPM. 2000 RPM in anti-clockwise direction. The velocity is 0 millimeter per second. Now at 2500 RPM. The spindle speed is 2500 with anti-clockwise direction. Sorry, clockwise direction. Reading is 0 and 0.1 millimeter per second. Now at anti-clockwise direction and 2500 RPM. Velocity is 0.2 millimeter per second. 0.1.